We're heading to Dream Mall for the New Year's Eve countdown. Nothing is happening here along Love River, so we'll try if there's celebration in Dream Mall. I'm with my Korean new friend and a fellow Filipino who is also traveling. So here's our train. This is LRT coming from here at Lafayette. Green Mall is just 6 stations away and will only take a few minutes. Dream Mall is over there. We will need to cross. We go there? To the boat. So as we can see, the mall is decorated for the holidays following the theme Las Vegas. So lots of lights around, lots of colors, and lots of people, especially to witness or to be part of the countdown happening in a few minutes. We're walking to the venue now to find a good spot. Hopefully we find one. Lots of people. It's too crowded and I think we will not be able to go nearer. So there's a performance going on, and as I have heard, the show started since 6 o'clock. So we're really late. Lucky for those who are right on the stage in front or at the center, have the best view of everything happening right on that stage. From where we are standing now, we can't change position, we cannot move. It's that crowded. And so people are just standing and enjoying the show from afar. That guy who is now speaking is Kaohsiung City Mayor. sure how many drones were used to put up that show, but it's great. So time to go back. We will look for a restaurant where we can have a nice New Year dinner.
Too many people. Yeah, too many people.
We are taking the LRT again to go back to Lockpier Station.
Yeah.
So over there is our chosen restaurant.
Taiwan beer.
Very delicious dinner paired with Taiwan beer. Really good pair. And that's it for tonight. It's 2020, everyone. Happy New Year.